about lesson 4, leçon 4, le plaisir de lire. So let's get started. So let's start lesson 4, leçon 4, le plaisir de lire, question and answers. So first let's discuss what's the meaning of le plaisir de lire. Meaning of le plaisir de lire is the pleasure of reading. So our first question is répondez aux questions. Respond to the questions. So let's move on to the first question, which says that de quoi a-t-on besoin pour avoir une carte de lecteur? What do you need for having a reader's card? So une carte de lecteur means reader's card. Okay, so we have to list the things that one needs for having a reader's card. So first things is une pièce d'identité, a identity card. Second thing is une autorisation des parents, parents authorization. Okay, then comes the third thing, which is une quittance d'électricité, which means the electricity bill, or ou the loyer de mois de 3 mois, or the rent of less than 3 months. So it is saying that you can give identity card, you can give parents authorization. Then third thing is that you have to give electricity bill or the rent of, or if you are on rent, okay, so you have to give the rent of less than 3 months. So how you will write the answer? Pour avoir une carte de lecteur, on a besoin une pièce d'identité, the identity card, une autorisation des parents, et une quittance d'électricité ou de loyer de mois de 3 mois. So here let's see the question number 2, which says à quoi sert une carte de lecteur? What do you mean by reader's card? So what is a reader's card basically? So une carte de lecteur, a reader's card, sert à emprunter de la bibliothèque, means to borrow from the library des livres, some books, livres, des disques, some discs, des cassettes, okay, books, discs, cassette, and the jeux vidéo. Jeux vidéo means video games, etc. On peut aussi lire ou écouter sur place. One can also read or listen at the place, at the library. Question number 3. Pourquoi va-t-on à la bibliothèque? Why one goes to the library? So, on va à la bibliothèque pour emprunter des livres ou pour lire et écouter sur place. One goes to the library for borrowing some books. Emprunter means to borrow. Pour emprunter des livres ou pour lire et écouter sur place, or for reading and listening at the place. Question number 4. Que peut-on emprunter à la bibliothèque? What one can borrow from the library. À la bibliothèque, on peut emprunter des romans, some novel, des bandes dessinées, comics, des disques means disc, des CD, des cassette, et des reviews, some magazines. So the whole answer is à la bibliothèque on peut emprunter des romans, des bandes dessinées, des disques, des CD, des cassettes et des reviews. From the library, one can borrow novel, comic, disc, CD, cassette, and magazines. So let's see question number 5. do you mean by Panchatantra? Le Panchatantra est une collection de contes et de fables sanskrit en 15 livres. Panchatantra is a collection of short stories, short Sanskrit stories in 5 books en 15 livres. Elle a été réunie au 15e siècle. It had been reunited in 5th century 15e siècle par le savant Vishnu Sharma, by the saint Vishnu Sharma. Next question says, de quoi s'agit-il dans le livre Histoire vécue? What do you mean? What is there in the book Histoire vécue? So answer is, le livre Histoire vécue est un livre sur la forêt vierge. The book Histoire vécue is a book on the virgin forest. 7th question. Qu'est-ce que vous aimez lire? Nommez 3 types de livres. What do you love to read? Name 3 types of books. J'aime lire les romans policiers et les bandes dessinées. I love reading the detective novels and the comics. 3 types de livres sont, 3 types of books are les poèmes, the poems, les contes, the stories, short stories, les pièces de théâtre, the plays. Nommez quelques rubriques dans le journal. Name some columns in the newspaper. So, the answer is la météo, the weather report, le sport, la politique interior, politics, la culture, le courrier des lecteurs, the readers column, la politique étrangère, the foreign politics. So how you will write the answer? Quelques rubriques dans le journal sont la météo, le sport, la politique intérieure, la culture, le courrier des lecteurs et la politique étrangère. Let's see the second question. Second says that relier les colonnes A and B. Relier les colonnes A and B means match the columns A and B. So instead of matching, I have written the answer in front of it. So here I have written the stories, and in this column, column B, it is written the name of the writers who have written the stories. So Le Petit Prince, column B says B part Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. So Petit Prince is written by Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. Second, Le Renard de la Raison. So it's written by La Fontaine. So the writer's full name is Jean de La Fontaine. So in short we write it like La Fontaine. Third says Le Tour du Monde en 80 jours. So its writer is Jules Verne. Okay. Le Panchatantra. Le Panchatantra is written by Vishnu Sharma. Le savant Vishnu Sharma. So let's see the third question, which says vrai ou faux. Dites vrai ou faux. Say that the statement is true or false. So let's see the first one, which says la politique intérieure et la politique étrangère sont de différentes rubriques d'un journal. The interior politics and the foreign politics are some different columns of newspaper. So yeah, it's vrai. It's true. So I'll write it vrai. So La Politique, interior politics and foreign politics are different newspaper columns. So it's true. So I've written here gray. La lecture written spot, reading is a sport. So do you think reading is a sport? So it's absolutely wrong. It's false. So you will write 4. 4. Let's see the third one, which says La Meteo nu predit quel temps il fera. Meteo is a weather report. So weather report predicts us what weather it will be. So yes, it's true. The weather report would tell us that how will be the weather. So it's true. So you'll write vrai. On peut lire et travailler dans une bibliothèque. One can read and work in a library. So it's true. Vrai. Pour s'inscrire à la bibliothèque, il faut une pièce d'identité. For registering oneself in the library, il faut une pièce d'identité. It is necessary to have an identity card. So yes, it's true. We will write vrai. So here our chapter 4, lesson 4, le plaisir de lire, question and answers have been completed. Here we have completed lesson 4, lesson 4, le plaisir de lire. Question and answer. Hope you like this session, and if you like it, then please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, The Learning Hub, for more new updates. Bye bye everybody.